Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to install tow arms on a Volkswagen Passat. I think it's pretty straightforward so far. So there will be a bolt right here. I know in the ECS tuning video they say it's like a 18, but this is a 21 millimeter. Just get a 21 millimeter wrench and 21 millimeter wrench socket. Hold the wrench on this side. Have the socket on this side. Let's take that bolt out. And then there will be a bolt right here, which is, I believe, 18 millimeter. Let me check real quick. Yes, 18 millimeter. 18 millimeter. And then also there will be, you might have to back out the bolts for the sway bar. I don't know yet. I'm about to see right now. But I believe these are 10 millimeter triple square bolts. I'll link a set of those bolts in the description. Also have the camber arms. I should have did a video on that. I forgot to record. But I'll update you guys once I try to get this bolt out and let you know if I had to back out the bracket right there. Okay, yeah. Definitely probably got to back out the sway bar bracket or whatever a little bit. I'm gonna try it and see. I'm not sure if I'm at the disconnect the end link or anything yet. I'll keep you guys updated on that because the bolt. Yeah, let me try to show you guys. The bolt is running into the sway bar right there. So, yeah. Okay, yeah, actually it'll be in the M10 triple square. Don't mind the exhaust, went to a bad exhaust shot, fucked me over. Different story for a different day. So I'm gonna get this bolt out. Actually, is there on the other side? Fuck. I think it'll be good, wait. Yeah, it should be good. So I'm gonna get this bolt out. Update you guys if I have to do the M-Link as well. Alright, and then to remove that M-Link bolt, you're gonna need a M6 triple square. I believe a 16 millimeter socket, or I mean a wrench. Let's see. I'm gonna try to remove this one. Alright, once you get that out, bolt should come right out. Sway bar should come right out along with it. I mean, tow arm should come along with it. Alright, so let me show you guys the tow arms I got to replace these. Alright, so I ended up getting these Godspeed tow arms a couple months ago. To replace these tow arms. That's what they look like in the box. So what it looks like compared to the OEM one, it's pretty close to being set with the OEM one. So I'm pretty sure when you're installing tow arms, you want to just set it as close as possible to the OEM. Oh yeah, I mean, I said, why do I keep on saying sway bars or I don't know. Okay, but yeah, I'm pretty sure when you're installing tow arms, you should keep it close to the OEM one as possible while you're installing it, and then, you know, that way you'll be able to get to the alignment shop and everything like that. So you want to set it pretty much the same length as the OEM one, unless you know you need to tow it out or tow it in to make it to the alignment shop. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a minute. All right, so what you want to do is go ahead and grab the 2 bolts from the tow arm, pass them through the OEM tow arm, and then you're gonna want to loosen up your aftermarket tow arm so you can extend it so it can slide through both of the bolts like that, and that should get you pretty close to the OEM tow arm, you know, enough so at least you can make it to the alignment shop and everything like that, or you could adjust it a little bit more once you get it in there. All right, so now that you adjusted your tow arm, we're gonna reinstall it. Basically, just repeat the steps you took to get out the OEM tow arm. So just line everything up. That's tow arm over sway bar. Get in there. All right, I'll show you guys once I got everything installed, and then I'll show you guys it's a little bit more on the other side, but basically the other side is basically the same. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys once I got this in. So this step is optional. I've seen the FPC Euro video. They actually did this, you know, just in case ever you gotta take out the tow arm or replace or anything like that. Instead of running the bolt through this way, you could actually, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, you guys could run it through the other side. Let me see. Run it through the other side so you won't run into the problem of the bolt running into the sway bar next time if you gotta ever reinstall them or, you know, upgrade to a different option. I also will link these, I believe, what are they, like 90, 75 degree wrenches in the description if I can find a link. These actually are very helpful for like spots like these, you know, normal wrenches, because you see the little like indent right here. It'll be a little bit hard to get the wrench onto the nut, but I'll definitely link these in the description if I can find the link to these. I believe I got these on Amazon as well as the triple squares. So like I said in the last clip, you don't have to install the bolt back through this way. It'll be easier if you ever have to remove it in the future. I'm gonna see if we have any clearance issues though, because I just now noticed this bolt is kind of sharp, to see if it's rubbing up against the sway bar or anything. I'll update you guys on that. Okay, so I'm on the passenger side now, and instead of taking out the bolt for the sway bar end link, you guys could also just jack up the sway bar end link and take out the bolts also, and that will give you enough clearance to get the bolt out. Cause I was trying to take this one out, would not break loose. So I'm like, you know what? I have an idea. Let me roll out the jack. So you could, I don't know if you would even, actually, yeah, you probably still have to take the bolts out. But yeah, so if you guys can't break the bolt loose, just jack the sway bar up with your jack. Now give you enough clearance to pull the bolt out.
I give a fuck what you heard. You say that you poppin', but I ain't heard him. Any beat that you pass me, I murder him. We finessing this bitch and this man. My bitch pull up and buckle my pants. I took both off the drink, I can't stand. I got meals, top of bills by the lamb. I'm on person, the S I can't land. Oh, a bitch that just told me everything. Yeah, I